The hand cradle is an interface between the person using it and my computer system. It plugs in with a USB cord, the cable into the computer to the hand cradle. Now when you place your hand in the hand cradle, there are sensors located in the hand cradle that scan the body for stress by communicating with the limbic section of your brain. That's where all the emotions are stored. Inside the hand cradle is a little computer on board that measures very small shifts of electroconductivity, much like a galvanic skin response. The hand cradle, when activated, begins looking for your body's response to stress. The computer runs through each of the items, such as the ones listed here, and it talks back and forth. Your body talks to the computer talks to your body, and in the end it will list in numerical order what areas are showing the most stress. Now after we've run the stress tests, the stress analysis, then we can run a balancing analysis which will show us what natural products, nutritional products, supplements will bring your body back into balance. The body gets sick when it gets out of balance, so we want to bring it back into balance so the body can heal itself. When you come into the office, we can usually conduct an entire analysis session, a stress analysis session, in as little as 20 to 30 minutes. So let's run one now just to show you how it works. So the hand in the hand cradle, there's 112 items here on the screen, and you can see it's going through the body, scanning the body. So it goes through every item every half a second. So if there's 112 items, it'll be, basically 70 seconds or so. A little over 60. So as it goes through, you see how it scans the body, and the computer talks to the body talks to the computer, back and forth. So very quickly we can come up with an assessment to what areas of your body are stressed out. And it's going to list in numerical order up here in this file which areas are the most stressed. So here we have a list which shows us which areas are the most stressed in a numerical order. Alrighty. Okay, these show spinal cords where things are stressed out, and here's a nice little diagram. Anything else, there's a little blue line here, which is hard to see, but anything beyond that blue line shows where the body is the most stressed out. So you can click on each of these and it'll show in-depth information about what that point represents. Now we're going to run a balancer test to see what brings it back into balance, and as these points come back into balance, they'll turn blue instead of yellow, and you will know what supplements your body likes the best. Okay, we're going to run the balancers to see which items bring the body back into balance. So now it's comparing all the items that we loaded in, the nutritional supplements that we're loading in to the system, and now it's running through each of those nutritional supplements, and it's saying how much the body likes each supplement. So there's 110 supplements we loaded in here, and it'll take 55 seconds to run. So it's a very, very rapid and accurate system to identify areas of need for you personally. Unlike going into a health food store and you buy a bottle off the shelf and hope it works. This way you know which one works. So we go, here's the high, we go to these numbers, and usually the high number is the one that's going to be the most important, but not always. So you can pick one, and you simply move it over into this file, and then you run it against these out of balance points. And so this way you can test this particular remedy. So it's running against this particular remedy is being compared to these 56 out of balance points, and it will show us on this chart over here which points it brings into balance. This way you know if the remedy is good for you before you ever use it. Unlike just trial and error. Okay, so all of those yellow points that became blue points and moved towards the center over here indicates the closer to the center gets, the more imbalance it will bring your body. So you can see where they started out here on these spokes, and they move in and they turn from yellow to blue once they cross this little blue line. So that one remedy, for example, brought almost 30 points into balance. So that's the benefit of using this system. You can identify the remedies you need, and usually 2 or 3 will bring the body back completely into balance.